Have you ever wondered about the limitations of AI chatbots like GPT-3 and yet how they still manage to amaze us with their capabilities? A paradox, isn't it? This is the world of GPT-3, a realm where technology meets creativity, where a machine can emulate human-like conversations, leaving us in awe at its potential. From business ventures to personal use, GPT-3 has woven its way into our lives. However, as with all technologies, it's not without its limits. These limitations, rather than being roadblocks, act as stepping stones to further advancements. They are the intriguing part of the story, the plot twists that keep us engaged, driving us to push the boundaries of what's possible. Yet, these constraints do not overshadow the impressive capabilities of GPT-3. They simply add to the enigma, making us question what's next on the horizon. So let's dig deeper into these limitations and see how they contrast with the potential of GPT-3. So, what exactly are the limitations of GPT-3? You might wonder. Well, let's delve into that. Firstly, GPT-3 lacks an understanding of the world. It might generate human-like text, but it doesn't know what it's talking about. It can't distinguish between a bicycle and a tricycle, or understand why the sky is blue, or even comprehend that 2 + 2 = 4. It's a fantastical mimic, but not an informed participant in conversation. Secondly, GPT-3 isn't a fact-checker. It doesn't verify the information it generates against real-world data. If you ask it about the height of Mount Everest, it might give you a correct answer, but it could just as easily tell you something wildly inaccurate. Thirdly, GPT-3 struggles with context. It often misses the nuances of a conversation, leading to responses that can be off-topic or even nonsensical. It's like trying to have a deep conversation with someone who's only half listening. Another limitation is its inconsistency. You could ask GPT-3 the same question multiple times and receive different answers each time. It's a bit like a magic 8-ball. You never quite know what you're going to get. And let's not forget its potential for bias. GPT-3 learns from human language, which means it can unintentionally adopt our prejudices and stereotypes. This can be tricky to manage, especially in sensitive conversations. Finally, GPT-3 struggles with long-term conversations. It tends to forget past interactions, making it difficult to build a coherent dialogue over time. These limitations, though significant, don't quite overshadow GPT-3's potential. Despite its limitations, GPT-3's potential is something to marvel at. This AI model, able to generate human-like text, has sparked intrigue and excitement across a multitude of sectors. Let's delve into some of the areas where GPT-3 truly shines. Consider content creation. GPT-3 can churn out articles, blog posts, and even poetry, mimicking the style and tone of a human writer. It's like having a personal scribe at your fingertips, ready to articulate your thoughts and ideas into written form. Then, there's customer service. Imagine having an AI chatbot that can understand and respond to customer queries with near-human accuracy. This could revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers, providing round-the-clock support and freeing up human agents to handle more complex tasks. Programming help is another area where GPT-3's potential is evident. It can generate code snippets, understand coding problems, and even provide solutions. It's like having a virtual programming assistant that never tires. Language translation is yet another promising application. GPT-3 can understand and translate multiple languages, helping to bridge communication gaps and fostering a more connected world. And the best part, GPT-3 learns and improves over time. With every interaction, with every task, it becomes better, smarter, more efficient. GPT-3, with all its limitations, still holds a world of potential. It's not perfect, but then again, what is? The key is to harness its strengths, mitigate its weaknesses, and push the boundaries of what's possible. So, how do we reconcile the limitations and potential of GPT-3? Well, let's take a minute to bring it all together. The paradox lies in understanding that GPT-3, like all AI models, is not perfect. It has its limitations. It can produce incorrect or nonsensical responses. It's unable to comprehend context deeply, and it can sometimes mirror our own biases. However, these limitations don't overshadow its potential. GPT-3's ability to generate human-like text opens up a world of possibilities, from drafting emails to writing code, creating content, and even tutoring in various subjects. The key lies in understanding these limitations and using them to guide our interaction with GPT-3. By doing so, we can use this powerful tool more effectively and responsibly, mitigating its drawbacks while maximizing its strengths. In the world of AI, limitations don't necessarily mean a lack of potential. They simply guide us on how to maximize that potential responsibly and effectively.